What is up guys, Dan at this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you a complete beginner-friendly tutorial of the software Linear. So first you need to head over to the Linear's website by just simply typing Linear, and then you will see this first official website of Linear. Click on that, and after clicking on that, the website of Linear will open. So from here, if you already have created a Linear account, just simply log in, or if you are new to Linear, just simply sign up. After signing up, you just simply need to create a workspace, and then you also need to give your workspace a URL, and then you just simply need to click on this create workspace. And after creating your workspace, you will be welcome to the linear software. After that, you just simply need to choose the light and dark theme, and you can also try opening the command menu with the Control K. Click on continue, and you can also connect it to your GitHub. If you want to do it, you can just simply click on this authenticate button, but I'll do it later, so I'll just click on I'll do this later. And you can also invite your coworkers to your team. You can just simply write the emails and then click on send invites to send them the invite, but I'll do this later too. And then you have the subscribe to changelog, subscribe to marketing and onboarding emails, or you can also follow them on Twitter or X. Then you are good to go. Just simply click on this open linear, and then you will be redirected to the home page of linear. So from here on the left side you have this inbox section. From here you will see all the chats that you have done, all the chat history, and here in the my issues section you will see all the issues that are assigned, created, subscribed, or activity, or that are currently active, or whatever issues that have been solved. You can see basically all the issues here. And when you click on this project section under the workspace, you will see all the project. And if you want to create a new project, click on create new project, and then you just need to give the project a name, and then you need to write the descriptions. And from here you can also add the milestone, like if you want to create a particular milestone for a project, you can do that too. And you can also set the priority to urgent, medium, low, or high. Let's say I'm setting it for high, and then you can also do the in the backlog progress. Just simply you can change the status of your project, like if the project is still in backlog, plan, in progress, completed, or cancelled. You can just simply change the status of the project from here. When you click on this lead, you can set the project lead, like who will be leading the project, and then you from here you can select the members. Just you can select the start date, the target date, and you can add all the labels if you want. And when you're done, simply click on create project, and then your new project will be created. When you click on views here, you can create custom views using filters to show only the issues or the projects that you want to see. You can also create your new personal view. When I click on create view here, you can see the view is for connecting all the tools and all the other issues. And when you click on this more button here, you can see all the teams, like all the team members or the projects that the team is working on. And when you click on this members here, you will see all the members that are there or that are present in the team. You can also customize the sidebar. And when you click on your teams here, you can see your project heading, and then all the issues related to this project, all the project tasks related to this projects, or simply the projects integrated in under this project. As you have seen, I have created this workspace at the starting demo 1, and in the demo one workspace here, when I click on issues, I can see all the issues in this workspace. I can see all the projects that are going on under this workspace. I can just view everything else here. And when I click on this try button here, a drop-down list appears. And when I click on this import issues, I can import the issues from other applications like GitHub, Asana, Shortcut, and Jira. And I can also export the issue in CSV files. And when I click on these labels, I can also give the issue a label, like if the issue is a bug, it's a feature, or an improvement. When I click on this templates, I can also create an issue template, and I can also create a service level agreements, which are SLAs, and I can also enable them. And when I click on the statuses, I can just change the project status as I showed you earlier. And in the update section here, these are the updates for the project, and I can also connect the channel to Slack and multiple other softwares. When I click on this features section, under the features section, I click on initiatives. I can enable the initiatives, and in the documents, I can also host a new document template like the custom one if I want to create one. And these are the customer requests. To enable the customer request, the pulse, ask, and emojis. When you click on this emojis, you can import your emojis. Yes, guys, you can Slack import your emojis, or you can upload your own. When you click on this integrations, you can search for integrations which you want in your software like GitHub, Figma, Slack, GitLab, Google Sheets, and there are multiple softwares. You name it, they have it. And under the administration section, you have this workspace wherein you can just customize your workspace, the team members, and security. When you click on the security, you can also enable the invite links, and then you can make your project more secure. When you click on this API, you can generate an OAuth application, a new webhook, and you can just generate it from here and then paste it on any other software that you need to connect with the linear. When you click on this applications here, you will see all the integrations and applications that you have installed in your linear account. And in the billing section, you will see all the invoices and the bills that are remaining paid or received. When you click on import and export, you can import and export a issue. And this is the basic walkthrough of the software linear. That was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.